Hello to the best audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we are going to make a breakfast bread. For that we need a little bit of melted butter, to be adding that some honey, and mix this together. Adding a little bit of konjac to this mixture, and then repeat the mixing process. We'll also need bread for this, of course, and 1 banana. But before that, we need to make the bread soaked in this mixture that we have just prepared. Make sure it is covered from all the parts with the mixture. And whenever done, let's put it into the olive oil and make it cooked, Repeat this with as much as you have, and whenever done, take it out. You can put some peanut butter or Nutella or any kind of thing that you like most onto the top of the bread, and add some bananas on that. Whenever ready, you can taste this, and it is going to be absolutely very, very tasty. Good appetite!